Hey, imagine getting the tools you need to jumpstart a profitable AI-powered business for just 99 cents. That's right. Our incredible offer gives you the complete package at a ridiculously low price with resale rights. But that's not all. You'll also receive a free ebook, Mastering AI for Remote Jobs, to help you understand how to make the most of AI in today's world. AI has limitless capabilities. Imagine creating stunning images, short films, or even designing entire websites, all from a simple text prompt. With tools like ChatGPT and DALL-E, AI has changed the game, enabling anyone to produce hyper-realistic art, automate tasks, and even write code without technical expertise. It doesn't stop there. AI can be your business strategist, crafting marketing plans, analyzing data, and boosting your productivity across all industries. Imagine saving time, money, and effort by letting AI handle the heavy lifting. From blog posts to personalized marketing emails, or even programming for websites, AI has you covered. But here's where it gets exciting. You can turn AI's incredible power into real money-making opportunities. Whether it's creating custom illustrations, producing stock video footage, or generating data-driven marketing strategies, AI can be your secret weapon to building a business. With just 99 cents and the resale rights to 3,800 ChatGPT prompts, you can start your own AI-based business. The demand for AI-enhanced services is skyrocketing. Yet, there aren't enough skilled professionals to meet this need. This is your chance to step in and capitalize. From creating unique AI-driven content to selling AI services, the possibilities are endless. AI isn't the future. It's happening right now, and it's transforming industries across the globe. Studies show that freelancers using AI tools experience a 40% increase in income, and small businesses using AI are boosting their revenue by 30% annually. With AI skills, you can be at the forefront of this revolution. So, what are you waiting for? For just 99 cents, you'll not only gain access to 3,800 custom ChatGPT prompts with full resale rights, but also receive the Mastering AI for Remote Jobs ebook for free. This is your opportunity to unlock AI's power, boost your skills, and start earning. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Start your journey with AI today and create your own success story. The future is waiting. Take the leap and see how AI can transform your life and business. Click the link below to get started. Hey, imagine getting the tools you need to jumpstart a